What's going on, guys? Midnight Dream here. Today, we're going to be making like an Avicii kind of levels break kind of thing. I don't know. That's the inspiration. We're going to see how it goes. I mean, obviously, it's going to go dope, But all right, cool. So, you know how it is. Piano. I like the Gentleman from Native Instruments, but you can use literally anything. You can use FL keys. Just like no reverb. Find something that's just like hard or like. Cool, so let's make a dope melody. Let's go D major. Nope. Nah, keep it here. So to actually line this up the way it's supposed to be. So this will probably change a little bit as we go, but it's kind of the basics. Stop. How do I turn notifications off? Why does that sound wrong? There we go. Thanks, Mom. Cool, so I think that's kind of the loop. Yeah, I really like that. So let me just loop it over again one more time. Because I'm not sure. Let's see, maybe. There we go. Okay. So now we're looking mighty good here. So. Wow, I really like this melody. I'm saving this. Summer 2020. Nope. Phase 1. What genre is this? Cool. So now let's fill this out, man. Add a serum in here. So you gotta understand that the piano's that main element, and everything else you're putting in is really to just like complement it, except maybe the lead I'm about to add. But so this lead, I mean, everyone has their own kind of leads they like. For some reason, like this lead just like is Avicii. It sounds exactly like the one from what's that song? I Could Be the One. Sorry, that's loud. So if I play it, hear that? Cool. So now let's take the top line. This melody's already stuck in my head, which is a good thing. Okay, take that, put it here. I would probably add a little variation to the second part at some point, but I'll just keep it like this for now. I'm gonna add another serum, same patch, just like an octave up, just to give it more life up in the high frequencies. Now I'm gonna add another lead. Can never have too many layers, guys. Never. It's kind of cool. Eh. I'm gonna cheat, use one I know I like. I gotta take down some of the mids in the piano. Much better. Cool, now let's just add like a little. It's kind of cool. So what I noticed in levels is you would think it would have like a big ass kick because it's such like a big song, but it really doesn't. It's a super simple, like quick punch. It's really nothing. It's like that. And you're probably wondering why I haven't sidechained yet. It's because I forgot, and I'm going to in a second. Speaking of sidechain, if you're looking for this Avicii sound, don't use Kickstart. I find that Kickstart, it's a great sidechain plugin. I use it all the time, but it you lose a lot of that attack than if you use Gross Beat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna route all these sounds to one track. And I know my mixer kind of looks crazy right now. It's just because I have like a preloaded template that I made. So now everything's going to this bus. So I'll add some, first I'm gonna add some light compression just to kind of glue everything together. Fast attack, fast release. Sounding good. Let's listen to it without the kick. Cool. So now let's make a gross beat. And then we're honestly pretty much done. Like, I'm not turning this into a track. This is kind of just showing how I would make like that kind of sound. Although it is a cool melody, honestly. Maybe I would one day actually work on it. I don't need to do that. So right now we're just gonna make our own sidechain. Did I write the clap? I didn't mean to do that. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.